Hi, so here is a quick 60-second demo of a new feature I have added to my website. It helps you plan automation with AI based on your own tools and workflows. On my site, you will see this tab in the navbar called Plan Automations with AI. Just click that and it opens a simple intake page. So the idea is simple. Instead of guessing what to automate next, you answer a few questions and the system gives you 3 to 6 very concrete automation ideas tailored to your business. So first, you add a small profile, your name, your email, company role, country. Then you describe your business and lead flow in plain language, no technical terms needed. Next, you list the tools you are already using, things like CRM, phone systems, email tools, and any AI tools. Finally, you write out 3 to 5 repetitive tasks that takes your time every week. For example, sending follow-up emails, moving deals between stages, updating spreadsheets, or cleaning up CRM data. When you hit Generate Automation Ideas button, the AI looks at your business, tools, and tasks and return 3 to 6 specific automation ideas, each one with a title, a small explanation, rough time savings, and tools involved. You can then select the ones you like, add any notes, and submit them so I can send back a short plan with timelines and ballpark pricing. If you have been thinking about automations or AI but don't know where to start, this is the fast way to get concrete, done for you ideas based on your actual stack. The link is in the post. Try it out, fill it once, and I'll send you tailored automation plans. Similarly, we also have two more tabs here you can see. For web and mobile apps, if you have any ideas related to web apps or mobile apps, you can enter all the details here and AI will share you with a concept. And also there is another tab for other tech needs. If you have a particular project in mind and you have specific scope, then you can submit your request and we will get back to you with a particular approach, timeline, and the cost so that we can move forward within 24 hours. Thank you.